Mula ng ating third set, Mapua on the service area. Trixie Gohol will start things off here. Flat serve again. But starting it with fireworks is Trixie Gohol.
Sila naman yung nagkakarga ngayon. Unang part pa lang ng set natin, kakargahan na nila yung service nila.
Mukhang nga nagmamadali. Ayaw maipit dyan sa may San Marcelino. Yung intersection na yan sa may SM Manila. Kasi yun yung dadaanan nila mamaya. Malamang. Pero error dito. 1 for 1. So, isang kalye lang yung pagitan yan. Yung bakod ng Mapua.
Oo.
Tapos Alitran sa Moralia. Actually, nandun nga, mali pala isang eskwela halos. Yung LTU. Bandang dulo. Yan, magkakatabi yan. So here's Gia Makilang now. Going for the serve. Very quiet in this game is Gia Makilang.
Actually, marami siyang nakukuhang mga bola pero hindi niya to nako-convert into a point.
Oh, Nicole Ong with that hit. Goes out.
Nakikita na natin dito, medyo nabubuhayan na ang Lady Knights. Nag-celebrate na sila when they get a point.
Oh, narinig yung tambol eh. Iba talaga. Our screens coach Aying Esteban giving a few reminders here. Sa koponan ng Mapua, Estrelier going for the back set. Free ball here for the Lady Cardinals. Gohol going for the back set. Off speed hit by Garcia. Lea Tapang. Attack error there. Pininit pa yung palo.
Yes, medyo sinubukan niyang ilagay sa corner pero medyo kulang na tulak pa.
Kumbaga, yung buwelo niya doon, Pinita Corrales. Banat na banat eh. Oh, inabutan mo pa yun, ha? Inabutan mo pa yung commercial.
Hindi kaya,
huwag ka mag-deny. So, back to the action tayo dito ngayon. Angela Desma getting blocked by Nicole Ong. 1-on-1 at the net.
Kitang-kita na natin yung advantage ng Mapua dito, especially sa net defense.
Yeah, tops of, when it comes to kill blocks, ang Mapua almost over 2 kill blocks a set.
Yes.
So Tapang with that power tip. Roxy with a powerful hit. Hindi na nagawa ng paraan. And on the dig pa lang, ang lakas na ng arrive ng palo. Nagka-problema na sila. Yung first ball again.
Actually, pwede na siyang tulungan ng middle blocker doon. Kaya nang kunin nila Desma yun, but kulang siguro sa communication ulit.
Hindi ka talaga pwede maglaro ng sports pagka medyo... Pag sa laro, hindi ka nagsasalita eh.
Oo, pag nakikiramdam ka lang.
And coming from you, one of the more soft-spoken players that I've known and I've trained with.
Yes.
Iba eh. Ikaw nag-iiba ka, parang may different facet of your personality pag naglalaro.
Sa loob ng court, totoo. Ayun naman sabi sa amin ni Coach Ramil.
Pwede na mabait, pero pag naglaro ka, laro.
Iba, oo.
Buhos talaga. So here comes the Lady Cardinals. Getting a check here. As Roxy De La Cruz.
Good attack there by Roxy De La Cruz. Kasi mas may giggle ngayon eh. Talagang ipapacheck niya sa ball.
Tsaka marunong na siya mag-shift ng gears. Kanina nakita natin na si Raisa Ricablanca yung pinababayaan nilang umatake. And Trixie Gohol, putting some variation in her palette ngayon. Na parang, kanina binabasa niyo, puro Ricablanca sa kaliwa, dadaling ko kay Roxy.
Napapaikot niya.
Papakainit ko rin dito sa gitna si Nicole Ong and si Garcia from time to time pinupuntahan.
Yes.
So it keeps the defense on their toes. So Nicole Ong, Makilang on the pop-up. Tapang on that loaded hit.
Nagkatinginan si Garcia at Nicole Ong. Nandun na sila eh. Nakatapat na actually. Medyo Medyo nagkahayaan lang kung sino ang kukuha.
Hindi ka parehas ng pelikula ng 80s. If looks could kill, kaso hindi. Kailangan kuhanin mo talaga yung bola. Oo. Nauna yung lundag sa talon.
Hindi nagkaintindihan si Gohol. At si De La Cruz. Si Roxy.
So Roxy getting that high set. So that's Freya.
Freya.
Pwede siya magpa-clarify na kino-question niya, true game captain lang, wag siya doon magsisigaw, ha?
So game captain can get clarifications on calls.
Yes.
You have been there.
Pero kailangan mo din kasing kontrolin si coach.
So a yellow card here on Coach Oliver Almadro. Hindi naman siya galit, nagpapaliwanag lang.
Intense lang.
Oo,
Game mode.
Hindi naman siya galit, nagpapaliwanag lang. Game face. Pero one of the, I enjoyed hanging out with Coach O and so antabayanan niya ng mga kapuso natin kasi it's a Friday, so the Game On podcast will be coming out with a new episode. I think it's out now on Spotify, Apple, and Google podcast, and on GMA News and GMA Sports. On that attack by Lea Tapang, nakapula. Ito na naman si Roxy, punong abala dito sa ating third set. Estrelier, dadalhin kay Tapang. Off yung timing. Magagawan ba ng paraan? Here's a free ball for Letran. Going for that quick. As Royce De La Cruz.
Finally, gumagana na ulit yung middle blockers ng Lady Knights dito. Kailangan nila yun actually kasi si Tapang lang ang pinupuntahan ng bola ngayon. Hindi naman niya kaya lahat patayin yung bola.
Medyo quiet talaga. Ang missing link dito si Makilang.
Yes.
Who was very, very impressive the past few games para sa kanila. The first 3 games rather. And now she's very quiet.
But I think Coach Hammer bumabawi naman siya sa likod.
Yun
yung
talaga.
defense naman, at least nandun pa rin.
Exactly. Kumbaga, kung hindi ka makapagbigay ng puntos, find ways to affect your team. Pero doon, Roxy De La Cruz patuloy ang pagpaulan ng mga puntos. Now, going for an off-speed hit. Again, dito mo babalikan yung fundamentals. When you're an attacker, you want your attacks to look the same way, approach the same way, and then the adjustment and the athleticism comes in. Pagpapaluin mo. Doon lang yung pag-adjust. Pero dito meron pang rotation error ang Lady Knights. So first technical timeout tayo dito ng ating third set. Sa aming pagbabalik, Diana Igual will have her report.
Kobe. Kobe. Kobe Monday.
Kobe Monday. Meron naman sa sa NCAA. Hindi, pero syempre, you wanna invite, of course, the best basketball minds.
No, of course.
The best sports minds, not just in the country, but, we gotta dream big, bro.
Yeah.
So,
international.
In terms of dream guests, I've said this before, my dream guest has always been...
Mga kapuso at NCAA fans, welcome back to the ball game between the Mapua Lady Cardinals and the Letran Lady Knights. Coach Hammer and Mika, we have two teams here who are banking on 2 different motivations going into today's game. For the side of Mapua, I was able to talk to team captain Tere Manalo, and she told me that they are clinging on their winning streak, which gave them the boost and morale na makikita mo talaga sa kanilang nagiging laro ngayon. Now, for the Letran Lady Knights, despite coming off from a loss, Coach O is looking on the brighter side of things, reminding his players, and I quote, performance is better than the results, emphasizing that if anything, he liked the fighting effort his team showed during their last game, and hopefully would also be reflected in the remainder of the match today. Coach Hammer and Mika?
Maraming salamat, Diana. And Lea Tapang trying to sustain this attack. Sa kabila naman, Tere Manalo, one of my favorite players sa Lady Cardinals. Not yet being fielded here, but had an impressive game last game. So, wanting to continue their winning ways itong Mapua. Ang Letra naman, gusto ng bawi. So, Gohol going for that back set. One of the few attempts by Babs Babiera on the attack. Porsientuhan.
Good attack there by the Lady Cardinals.
One of their graduating players, Babs Babiera. Getting her point on that off that back set rather by Trixie Gohol. So good first ball here. Going for the quick was Royce De La Cruz. Popped up by the Mapua defense. Frian with the attack. Estelaire going to Gia Makilang.
Ayan na siya.
Kanina pa natin inaantay. Basag na basag ang depensa. Eto na ba?
Ito na ba ang simula?
Para kay Gia Makilang. Masyadong malayo yung katawan at yung braso dito. Ni
Babiera.
Babs Babiera.
Hindi masyadong what do you call this, nakapasok.
So here comes Royce De La Cruz on the serve. That serve, but good looking one. Going for that 1-2 sa donut hole.
Donut hole.
Campfire, pero mas gusto ko yung donut hole eh. Akin na lang yung munchkin. And going for that 1-2.
And then again, kasi nga ang nag-serve ay isang middle blocker. Tinake advantage ni Gohol. Nabigyan ng drop ball.
So Babs on the serve. Estrelier. Makilang. Oh, sweeping it.
Nice move by Garcia.
And one of the lost arts when it comes to attacking, yung pag-sweep lang ng bola.
Yes, nagagawa niya ng paraan eh. Kahit hindi maganda yung taas ng bola.
Oo, kasi ako, one of my vaguest memories mix when I was watching my first few games, sila penetrante pa yung naglalaro. Would always do that.
Yes.
One of the taller attackers from your school, former UAP MVP din yan.
Yes.
Fan ako eh.
Sabihin ko sana, hindi ko na naabutan yun.
Oo, we older. Kasi I was in, I think, high school noon. High school ba? So, timeout dito ang Letran. Let's listen in.
Yung block mo, pinipilit mong i-wave. Hayaan mo siya magpa-checkout kung gusto magpa-checkout. Ang ginagawa mo natso, pinipilit mong stop block eh. Okay. Pangalawa, hindi ibig sabihin na ganun yung kalaban. You have to do it also. Kung gusto mo mag-drop ball na makakapuntos, hindi para lang ibalik sa kalaban. Timing! Dalawa spiker, kay GA isa. Pangalawa, when we get the ball, don't force. I need second net. I need second net only. Second net. Do you understand?
Yes, coach. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Nagkakamali. Pinipilit natin i-perfect.
Pilit. Yun pa rin. Consistent. Consistent yung sinasabi ni coach na you have to relax and you have to play it one possession at a time.
And especially ngayon na dalawa lang yung attackers sila sa front row.
Service goes out, point goes to the God.
So, point dito para sa Letran Lady Knights. So, Nat Estrelier at the service area. Had a... Tama, nakadalawa, no? Back-to-back na aces.
Yes. Sabi sa'yo, wag mong babatiin ang nagsuserve, Coach Hammer.
Okay. Okay. It is now proven. Ang ating hypothesis. So, konting balasa dito ng tao for Coach Oliver Ajayap, their backup setter. Given an opportunity here.
Another good block by the Lady Cardinals.
Ito na nagiging attrition na pagdating sa mga dulo. Sasandigan talaga ng makuha yung kanilang defensa on the net. And they've been able to win games through that.
And dapat ready rin ang Lady Knights sa pag-cover dito.
Gohol on the serve. Good pop-up by Lea Tapang. Yap to Makilang. Good coverage there by Ong. Free ball here. Yap. Balik kay Angge. Oh no, that's Nitura. Roxy. Rika Blanca on that attack. Makilang on the tip. Gohol saving that possession. Frian with a loaded hit. Oh, another good defensive sequence there for Mapua. Free ball, papunta sa Letran. Netura. And not over after that long rally.
Coach Hammer, napansin ko lang si Nicole Ong dito. Kanina niya pa nakukuha yung drop balls and very efficient yung pagtaas niya dito na kahit siya yung nasa harap, siya yung nagbablock, nakukuha niya pa rin yung drop ball. And malaking tulong yun para sa
And
defense.
she improved that a lot. Yung coverage skills niya behind the other blockers.
Yes.
Kasi usually sanay siya na siya yung inaatake. Pero now, being that second line of protection sa likod, and quicker. Kaya kitang-kita na ang laki ng difference ng conditioning niya this year.
Yes.
Kasi ang taas ng work rate pagka ikaw yung cover girl dun sa likod.
Yes, oo. Big help talaga yon.
Tsaka hindi magsasuffer yung depensa kasi yung isang middle blocker, bablock, tapos ikaw kaya mo kumover dun sa likod.
Ready na sa likod yung mga fast and powerful attacks na ikaw na bahala dun sa drop balls.
Makilang. Again, getting roof. Tumbling down is the defense of Letran. Rica Blanca. Oh.
Ledesma with a good block.
Return to sender, yung padalang yun. Talking about the defense here. Showing some signs of life. And that was Angel Ledesma on that single block. Makilang on the service area now. Trying to get a little bit more momentum. The free ball here for Letran. Nitura bringing down the ball.
Nitura targeting the hands of the blocker.
And it's safe to assume na napakahirap gawin yan. Dahil the hand is
yung
moving.
tansya mo yes.
Rica Blanca, hindi napatungan na maganda yung bola. And outside on that hit. And that brings us to our second technical timeout. Mapua leading here 16-12.
Basketball junkie ako eh. So, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So, medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation eh. Who believe that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation.
Wow!
Kasama na kita. Kasi yun yung conversation natin kanina. Ako, Jaworski, tsaka Jolie pa yung but again, if going back to that.
On your screens, attorney Jonas Cabuchana from San Beda University. Go San Beda 5. One of our Mancom representatives enjoying the action here. Of course, entering our third set. Magandang araw sa inyo mga kapuso. Coach Hammer Martin Antonio. Along with Mika Reyes and Diana Igual on the sideline. Bringing you the action here on a very nice Friday morning. Going to lunchtime. Nice pa kasi nasa loob pa tayo mamaya mararamdaman natin.
Mainit na sa labas mamaya.
May rehab ka ba ngayon?
Yes, after.
Special shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan dyan. Kaya Ma'am Alec.
Our Metafactor family.
Mukhang napagpag mo na dun yung ano ha? yung binanggit ko sa'yo. Huwag mong matiin! So back to ball game tayo. Service error for the Mapua Lady Cardinals. Binibiro ko itong partner ko eh. Na the Queen of Five Sets. So si Mel ang ano eh, ang sumusunod sa'yo.
Ililipat na natin sa kanya.
Teammates. So Angel Ledesma on the service. Roxy trying to go for that cross-court, but that goes all the way to the dugouts. Yung atake na yan ni Roxy. So another point here. Back-to-back points for the Lady Knights.
Lumahabol na ang Lady Knights.
Ganito yung tema ng laro natin eh. Makakakuha ng buwelo ang Lady Knights. Hindi lang nila maituloy-tuloy. Tignan natin, baka ito na ang pagkakataon na maitawid nila to. Dahil kailangan na kailangan. Ayaw nilang ma-straight sets. Gusto nilang i-extend to ng extend. Baka makakuha pa nila sa fifth set. Ang iyong specialty of the house. Ajay up going to Judel Nitura. Oh, going for the attack was Rica Blanca. Happy Friday gift para dito kay Nicole Ong.
Maganda ang abang ni Nicole Ong doon. Alam niya na mag-over na yung depensa.
Ever so slightly.
Yung saktong hindi makukuha ng defense.
Pero may mga middle blockers kasi ako napanood. Pagdating ng ganun, gigil na gigil.
Talagang
bounce ball talaga.
Totoo.
Paramdam
Free ball
din
na yun eh.
Roxy with the attack. Yup. Leia Tapang. Trixie to Roxy. Defense is there. Rica Blanca.
Outside.
Malakas.
Napalakas yung swing ni Rica Blanca. Another service ace. Ito na. Ito na ata yun.
The momentum that is needed, that Letran has been looking for, might be this. Pero may sagot.
May sagot ang Lady Cardinals. Again, yung advantage, kung saan sila talaga pumupuhunan yung blocking department nila.
So, pag nag-run, yung opponents, ando dun yung depensa. So, sinasandigan talaga nila yung net defense nila.
Yes.
And the ace. Rica Blanca with another point added to her total, giving them a more comfortable point lead right now, 19-16. Mitura from the backside. Popped up here by Makilang. Tapang with a loaded hit.
Tapang challenging the hands of the blockers. Actually, hindi rin masyado nakapasok yung kamay ni Babiera dito, kaya dumiretso sa loob ng net.
So yun na naman, kay Leia Tapang na naman sila kumukuha ng buwelo. And she has really a big effect, no, even to the mood of their squad. When she's there, mabablock siya, mag-error, pero dire-diretso lang yung laro sa kanya.
Yes, hindi nagbabago eh. Hindi mo nakikita na bumababa yung kumpiyansa niya.
So 10 points, 9 attacks with 1 ace, si Leia Tapang. Roxy with a down-the-line hit. Makilang. Oh! Almost! Was it the point?
Yes.
Oh, yes!
Ngayon lang actually, coach, nakapunto si Makilang sa drop ball. Kanina niya pa sinusubukan mag-drop ball, pero nakukuha ni Nicole Ong. But finally, nakakuha siya ng puntos. This time, sa libero pa.
So, Tere Manalo in the game now. 18 serving 19. Leia Tapang. Roxy with a powerful attack, and we're tied.
I think it's time. Nagigising na Lady Knights dito.
So ito na naman, nakahabol sila. So tingnan natin.
Di ba? Ganun kalayas na rin. Gulawan mo muna ng porsyento. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ng mahabang talo dun sa may cross court, hindi mo gagawin ng malakas sa gitna. Bakit? Mas maiksi yung court dun eh. Di ba? Ngayon, yung receive natin, nawawala na naman. Malakas ba yung serve? Hindi. O, ba't di natin ma-receive ng maayos? Ba't di tayo makapag-A-pass? May combination na tayo, tatlo spiker natin, hindi natin magamit yung advantage natin dun.
So Coach Aying reminding the girls na activate all the spikers.
Yes.
Tatlong spikers nga daw.
Nagbigay sila nagpasok sila ng isa pang spiker dito para tatlo yung umatake sa harap. Kailangan nilang i-take advantage.
But Letran now getting that much needed boost. They've been
ganito kasi kanina pa tayo na nung first set pala nagsabi na si second rep, tapos kinonfirm ko na yung pagpasok natin kailangan pag tunog ng buzzer, pag pito pasok na tayo kasi nagdi-delay na tayo. So ito pangalawang beses to. So mag-issue na kami ng delay warning ha.
So delay warning sa pagpasok of the buzzer.
Kalinaw din kasi na nagre-remind ang ating mga officials na kapag first buzzer na, kailangan ready na rin sila.
Delay warning on Colegio de San Juan de Letran.
Parang kanina pa may mga
Maraming yellow.
external factors.
Yellow means slow down. Pero ito, hindi to external factor. As we see, Hannah de Guzman getting a point there for the Lady Cardinals.
Quality minutes for the Guzman. Last set, nung pinasok siya, nakapuntos ulit. This time, kailangan ng puntos ng Lady Cardinals. Siya yung nandun.
Percentage player, no? Na you get 2 attacks, at least get a point for us.
Yes.
And take care of business. Oh, Rian Garcia.
Powerful attack.
Narinig natin yung lutong ng palo.
Yes.
Cesc Manarang going to Manalo. Makilang. Back row hit. Gets popped up. Makilang again on that drop.
Another drop ball by Makilang. Ito na ulit yung second point naman niya sa drop ball na yon.
And a more concentrated effort for Gia to find that spot.
Malayo yung defense ng Mapua doon. Alam niya na hindi makakahabol agad kapag nag-soft tip siya.
Dahil yung libero nandoon pa.
Yes.
On that middle side. Covering that middle attack. Dahil nahatak din ng combination. Rian Garcia.
Down the line attack by Garcia.
There are instances that you don't have to say too much. Because the sound speaks for itself.
I know. Hindi nagbago yung atake niya eh.
Ang lutong, no? Pagka pumapalo. Nafe-feel ko eh. Nararamdaman ko eh.
But then again, another service error. I'm not sure if ang signal ni Coach O is heart. Gumaganon siya kay Tapang eh, heart. Gumaganyan siya.
Laban, Tapang.
Puso. Pusuan mo.
Oh, not over on this hit. And don't look now. The Lady Knights are in the driver's seat. Kapit lang. So, laban lang. And ganun naman kasi when it comes to sports, you can't win in one possession. You want things to be methodical. You want to get to your process of getting points. Golden opportunity here for the Lady Knights. Another drop ball.
Good placement shot by Makilang. 3 points already sa drop ball na yon. Hindi ready ang Lady Cardinals for that drop ball.
And Gia Makilang. Kanina pa natin hinahanap kung kailan kailangan, parang Supergirl. Biglang nagpakitang gilas dito in our third set. And now the Lady Knights getting that service ace. And how about Aja Yap coming off the bench and getting a point here?
Yes. Lady Knights with a 4-0 run.
Inform si Coach, pakisabihan na wag niya i-insist no, kasi hinahabol naman sila dyan sila. Pakisabihan na wag niya ituturo kasi insisting tayo doon, ha? Pakisabi.
So, a little reminders here by our officials. Pakinggan natin ang huddle ni Coach
Ito naging sitwasyon
Aying.
natin yan. Naging lamang sila. Bakit? Sa kagagawan din natin eh. Di ba? Tayo rin gumawa ng sarili nating multo eh. Ngayon, nagkikipaghabulan tayo ngayon. Nasaan lang ngayon yung paboran ng tawag? Anong mangyayari sa atin yun? Ngayon, hindi natin pwedeng i-contest kasi yun ang tawag ng referee. Yan wala na tayong magagawa. So, magtrabaho na lang tayo na magtrabaho dyan.
Coach Aying reminding the girls na huwag magpapadala sa tawag ng ating mga referees. Kasi hindi rin naman natin dapat idepende doon yung laro.
Hindi na rin mababago. No?
Totoo.
Pagka naitawag na,
Sabi kay Coach, kasi parang hindi mo pinarating. Kasi mag-i-issue kami ng yellow card ng warning. Kasi pumasok na siya sa loob. Tapos pinopoint out niya yung kusang bumagsak ng bola. Pero kita naman namin na inside. Pakisabi. Pakisabi muna, pakisabi.
So, issuing a yellow card here. Pinapa-acknowledge kay Coach Aying.
Yellow card issue.
Ito na yung mga external factors na kumbaga uncontrollable.
Oo.
Hindi na nila hawak to eh.
Ayan, yung mga external factors. So, Ajay up with a golden opportunity to take one set here ang Lady Knights. Tika Blanca. Going to Roxy. Tapang. Back set. Nitura gets checked.
I love that celebration by Nitura.
And the Lady Knights takes a set here, 25-21. Extend tayo to the fourth set sa aming pagbabalik.